Since I've got my Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030S, I've done a few upgrades, from the 1010 upgrade they offer to the closed loop system and playing with the rotary controller too. I've made a lot of projects on the way there. Here's 5 of my favorite ones. I'll include links to any files needed and where I got them from in the description. The first one is a serving tray for keys, change and such that I've gotten a mounted off Etsy. It's quick and easy to make with a flat bit to remove most of the stuff roughly and a ball end bit to finalize. My second one is made from some hard maple, a glue up of 2 boards that I prepared for this. It's one of my first projects on this machine. It's a step stool that I use around the house. It's very dense, looks awesome, and will last forever. Made from some good dados and solid wood. Assembly was super simple and took about 10 minutes. Next I wanted to test the precision, and this piece I actually made some good money selling it on the marketplace. It's some creepy zombie wall art finalized with a 1/8 Genmitsu ball and bit, which got the details perfect. It's not the quickest project, it took about an hour for the finishing pass, but sold for $50, well worth it for the time I put on it. Next is a project I made after I upgraded to the 1010 by 1010 bed, as well as the closed loop motors. The bed obviously made this possible, but the closed loop motors I'd say add about 50% speed to your projects, which is well worth it when you're running hour-long projects. They should be more precise, but I can't say I saw any lack of precision before I upgraded. This project is something I've wanted to make for a long time, a full bed CNC project The chair I found on Etsy. I chose because it looks like a real life chair, not some freak CNC project with a dozen dados crossing paths. It's finalized with dowels and I think looks awesome. I plan to have some different colors on the seats, like the seller suggests on Etsy, and put them on the marketplace for a hefty profit and see how it goes. This is the kind of project I wanted to get into CNCs for, and I'm super excited to get to making more of them now that I got done upgrading the size of this machine. And it's a big reason for this channel, to keep it separate from my other woodworking channel, Matt Builds, where I felt I couldn't use and post about the CNC as much as I wanted. The next project I want to show you is something I use a lot in the shop now, bench dogs. And those ones look too good to not choose them over the cheap plastic ones I was using before. I made them out of walnut with the rotary controller. It made this project very easy and fun. I plan to use this to make handles, accessories and parts more than actual items to sell. But in the past I've made a full chest set from a different machine using one of those and can definitely sell if you get the theme right and the good materials. I hope those projects helped you get started to make something. Subscribe for more videos like this, new builds, CNC talk and more. Thanks for watching.